Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable ATM withdrawals on your Revolut card. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap the Cards tab at the top. Next, choose the card you want to use for ATM withdrawals. After selecting your card, tap on Card Settings. Now, scroll down until you see the option for ATM withdrawals. By default, this might be turned off for security reasons. Just tap the toggle switch to turn it on. And that's it. You've now enabled ATM withdrawals. You can use your Revolut card to withdraw cash at any compatible ATM. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.